Hey, this is John Stevens with Rabalais Law. I'm an estate planning lawyer in Huntington, West Tennessee, and I want to share with you a real common issue that it comes up in my practice. It actually came up this week. I was meeting with the husband and wife, and they were interested in setting up their affairs when they pass away. And so they had already done some estate planning in the past, and so I wanted to see what they'd done, and they gave me a copy of what they thought was their will. Turns out it was a living will. Real common misconception folks have, or misunderstanding. A living will is a document that's effective during your lifetime. It applies when you're in a permanent vegetative state, no real chance of recovery, or you've got a terminal diagnosis you're not going to recover from. You want to make some decisions on whether you want to have artificially provided nourishment or fluids, if you want to donate your organs, if you want to have experimental medical treatment. Those are kind of the big issues you want to address in a living will. It's effective, though, during your lifetime. A last will and testament, on the other hand, that's a document that doesn't come to life until you die. It is the way that you can transfer your wealth and your assets to some other person or entity at your death or after your death. So those are really big differences in the purpose of those two documents. People get them confused all the time. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's actually very common. I hope you found this video informative and you learned something. If you are interested in learning more, we've got other videos available on the website. If you want to talk about some estate planning issues, you've got some anxiety, you're nervous about it, you're worried about it, come and see us. We'd love to talk with you about that, get you some peace of mind that you've got everything set up just the way you want it. I appreciate you checking this out, and again, I hope you learned something. Thanks a bunch.